The spring is part of your roofing nailer's nail feed system. It applies pressure to the gun's feed pawl, allowing it to cycle when the gun is fired. Over time, the spring can fatigue and eventually break. The spring is secured by a pin with 2 urethane rings. If one of the rings fails, the pin will often come loose, and the pin and spring will be lost. Replacing the spring is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the pin from the feed pawl assembly. I'll use a punch to tap the pin through the urethane ring. I'll carefully remove the punch so I don't lose the spring. Now I can install the new spring. First, I'll align the spring on top of the feeder pawl. Then I'll insert the pin through the spring, the feeder, and the piston. Once the pin's in place, I'll secure it with the second urethane ring. And that's all it takes to install a new spring in your nail gun. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.
And leave a comment.